soul lies low within the dust, and sorrow fills my heart. The light once bright has faded dim, and hope seems far apart. Yet in the night I hear thy voice, still calling me to see. Revive thy soul according to the word I give to thee. Open thou mine eyes, O Lord, that wondrous things I see. Open thou mine heart, O Lord, and draw me close to thee. Revive me by thy holy word, restore my fainting soul, for thou alone can make me whole, and thou alone make whole. A stranger on this earthly road, I wander weak and worn. My tears have been my daily bread, my spirit bruised and torn. Yet thy testimonies remain, my counselors and guide. When all the world condemns my name, in thee I still abide. My soul melts down with grief and fear, yet thou dost